Hi guys, I want to show you a great feature that I've been playing around with on my brand new Galaxy tablet S3. We're going to go into settings, we're going to pull down that notification panel, go into settings and advanced features, S Pen games. Now I'm going to hit S Pen. Now you've got air command, and that will let you hover over it. It was already on, so just turn it on if yours hasn't been turned on. And let's go back. You've got air view, so we do want to turn that on. Direct pen input, turn that on. Pointer, that lets you hover the S Pen over the screen. That's important, so we'll turn that on. And screen off memo, create notes by pressing the pen button, tapping the screen while it is off and then writing on it. Screen off memos will be saved in Samsung Notes. Look, I don't think I'm going to be using that at the moment, so I'll just leave that, but that's something you can look into. Now the S Pen sound, when you use it, if you hit activate that button, it will make a sound. Now let's go and see what this actually does. Take the screen back. Now I'm going to start, I'm actually pointing my S Pen on my screen, and what should happen is a little icon should come up. I'll change. There it is there. You can just see it. Now this actually moves around. It's not stuck anywhere on your screen. You can put it wherever you want. So I've moved it from the right to the left. I can pull it back again and leave it there, and then I can activate it, and look what you get. You get this beautiful, like a turntable thing, where you've got your shortcuts. Now I'll hit that again. I can move it to the other side of the screen if I want, and I can keep it there if I really want. Now these icons, I've put them there, so that's adjustable. You just go into settings, just hit that, shortcuts, and here they are. Because I've put it to the left, if you notice, this is actually on the left. If I go back out of it and push this around to my right and go back into shortcuts, you'll find this has moved to the right. Now I've added these in, but look, you can see the red minus thing. Take them all out, and it will take 10. I actually had 9. Now there's two sections. There's this top section here that I'm just going through now. You can just see that, highlighting them. Then go down to the bottom section, and there's apps and functions, which are probably more useful for me. I don't know about you, but for me, these are the apps that I really want to place on the side. Now I'll take that other one out, and I don't know how that got there. So I'll just add Chrome. That will be one of the ones I really want. Calculator is also handy. Note, definitely. Let's have a look what else. Gmail, always need to have Gmail handy. Let's see, there is Netflix, there's Photos, Play Store. Yes, I'm still sort of fiddling around with Play Store. Settings, I don't really need to have settings as such, because there will be another little icon that will come up. But that is handy, as is this YouTube one. And look, probably the video player. And let's see, voice search, if I want to get into that very quickly. Let's see what else. Photos would be good. So look, I might change this later, but for now, just to show you, that's all you've got to do. Now I'm just going to go back, and I'll take the screen back again. and there it is there. I'm just going to press that with my pen, and there it is. You just swish it around by pointing the pen on it, and you can open them up from here, and there you go. You've got them there. Now I'll go back into it, and I might open up Note and create a note. So I just add text, just add tab, with that to save it, and I'll go to my pen icon again, and I could let's see what else. If you haven't seen the video search yet, look, it's probably not going to work because I've got the screen thing monitor going. It is listening. I'll just see if it will work. Open Play Store. No, I don't think it will work because I am doing a screen capture. It seems to activate a default where it will just stop the voice activation because I've got the screen capture app working. So that's unfortunate, but they've done that for a reason. I don't know why, but there you go. They have done that. So now at the moment you can't see my pen anywhere, but all I have to do is point my pen and it will come up, and their settings is right there on the other side. So that is a rundown on the some of the features of the S Pen. I have not covered everything by any means, but I thought I'd like to share that with you. I hope you've enjoyed watching that, and I hope it helps you. I love it, and thanks for watching.